watching Crick Sunday with me, Suramya Kaushik, and this time around, let me tell you that they didn't have much of a rest last week. And you know why? Because IPL matches were so thrilling that I got all my calculating devices out to calculate who all will be in the top 4 of IPL 2024. Well, I haven't figured out all the teams in the top 4, but definitely I figured out what trended the most last week. So to know all of that, let's have a quick look about this week. IPL 2024 has been very different this season, especially with Chennai Super Kings. You know, CSK are such a team who either have been always on top of the points table in previous seasons or at the bottom of the points table. But this time around, they have struggled somewhere in middle of the points table, and they tried their best to be in the top 4. Well, they are in top 4 at number 3, especially after that win over Rajasthan Royals. But what's more interesting is that this week, who trended the most for CSK was Thala. MS धोनी obviously अपने big shots और sixes के लिए काफी famous रहे, but also for his decision to come out at 9th position and bat. So batting at number 9 position trended the most on social media. Well, fans thought that whether CSK Thala is okay or not, but on the other side, former cricketers were pretty concerned. Some said that he should come high up on the order. Some others said that is something wrong with his fitness. Well, a lot of things happened around it. But if we talk about Chennai Super Kings, after Rajasthan Royals win, CSK versus RCB will be a super big match. Virat Kohli versus MS Dhoni. Now, Virat Kohli versus MS Dhoni match will be a decider. अगर चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स वो मैच हारती है, सब कुछ नेट रन रेट पर आ जाएगा और बाकी टीम्स की परफॉर्मेंसेस के भी, क्योंकि चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के पास होंगे 14 पॉइंट्स. लेकिन अगर सीएसके जीतती है, they'll have 16 points and have a clear cut entry to the playoffs. What will happen? That's something very exciting. लेकिन फैंस क्या कह रहे हैं सीएसके के बारे में? Let's have a quick look. IPL 2024 is on, and now people are gearing up for T20 World Cup. Now with T20 World Cup, the first name that comes to our mind is Indian captain Rohit Sharma. When we talk about Rohit Sharma, his performances in IPL 2024 have been underwhelming. Obviously, except that 100 that came against Chennai Super Kings. But if we talk about Rohit, along with Mumbai Indians' forgettable season, Rohit Sharma's performance also hasn't been that great. If we talk about the 13 matches that Rohit has played in, he's got 349 runs. Now you remove one century out of it. Apart from that, he's got just some 200 runs in the remaining 12 matches. And that too at an average of 29.08. Now that's a big worrisome sign.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है. मेरे को भी हो रहा है.
What people are saying about it, what they are really concerned about, let's have a quick look and see what people are saying on social media. And now comes the biggest headline of this week, Sanjeev Goenka versus KL Rahul. Now what all happened that day, let me tell you quickly. Chasing 160 plus runs within 10 overs was completely unbelievable. But that unbelievable task was done by Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head. They won the match by 10 wickets, and if I have to put it bluntly, then Sunrisers Hyderabad completely outclassed Lucknow Super Giants. Obviously, it was a terrific win for the Orange Army, but what happened after the match was completely distasteful. The way Sanjeev Goenka was talking to KL Rahul, it went viral in no time. That happened on a public platform, and those animated expressions on Sanjeev Goenka's face were not taken well by anyone who saw that visual. Well, let's hear out Network 18 Group Sports editor K. Srinivas Rao, what he has to say about the whole case.
I tell you a couple of things watching from a distance. Firstly, apropos the conversation that happened. What was on the screen was disgusting. What I saw on the television screen was absolutely disgusting. Whatever you want to do, there is a dressing room. Okay, there is a sanctity of the dressing. You go in there. You go to your team. Mr. Goenka can call KL Rahul at home. or he can go to his house, or you all can meet in the team hotel. There are plenty of places, but one place that you cannot do this is on the ground, live, when all those cameras are on, fans, spectators, everybody is watching you. Completely uncalled for. Now, as I said, now look at this picture. He's showing a hand. Maybe he's pointing at something about the pitch and the opposition that he's not happy about. Maybe he's talking about some playing conditions he's not happy about. Maybe he's not happy about KL Rahul. Maybe he's not happy about somebody in KL Rahul's team. We don't know. I read one media report saying, he's not happy with the way LSG was approaching things with the bat. Now, again, this is subject to speculation. I'm sure if you ask Sahil Malhotra will tell you, I spoke with half a dozen people in that camp. He's also spoken. He's also have his, whatever. What happens in a scenario like that is when you do something like this in front of camera, you leave a bag full of speculations, to come out in the open, which is not healthy for anyone, least of all your own team. And you are exposing your captain, the leader, to unnecessary chatter, ugly chatter. Why would you do that?
Yeah.
And there is a lot that I want to talk about, but for starters, what was seen on the screen was absolutely disgusting. And for some reason, there are some individuals who don't seem to learn again and again and again in this whole business of IPL. You keep your egos at home when you come here. The mightier the ego, the mightier, the lower have people fallen. I mean, I've seen this ecosystem for 16 years. A lot of people have come, a lot of people have gone. Egos really don't take you anywhere.
IPL 2024 has reached a very interesting stage. Now everyone's looking forward to that RCB versus CSK clash because CSK have to win that match. But if we talk about other matches, they're going to be really fun because it's the race to the top four and we'll get to see some really great performances in the coming week. Well, that's that from my side in this episode. We'll see you next week only on Cricket Sunday, which comes on Cricket Next.